Tips for my 18-year-old self. Number one, wait! Huwag kang magmadali, madaming lalaki sa mundo. Yes, that's number one. Wait for the Lord's plan for your life. Kasi it's better to walk with the Lord first than seek the hearts of men. Kasi kailangan matutunan mo muna alamin kung ano yung worth mo as a woman, yung value mo sa eyes ni Lord, sa sacrifice ni Jesus na ginawa para sa iyo. Para makita mo kung sino ka talaga as a person. Tapos makita mo kung ano yung deserve mo na mga bagay. Not being a princess type na maarte or what, na paimportante, hindi. Yung plan niya sa'yo to be loved, to be cherished, and to be treated like a, a queen. Kasi hindi ka lang naman basta prinsesa eh. Queen ka eh. You are seated in the throne with him. So, you should know how to be a queen first so you can find your king. So, number two, hindi porket Christian, sigurado na. You should watch out for the fruits of the Holy Spirit, which is kindness. Hindi ko siya memorize, pero yon, fruits of the Holy Spirit, kindness, gentleness, love, 'di ba? Yung mga yon. I'll comment down below for the complete list. Patience, self-control. Yan. So, dapat makita mo yung fruits of the Holy Spirit dun sa tao na hahanapin mo to be your partner in life. Ganun. And dapat may consistency. Hindi lang sa words, kundi pati sa actions niya. And then number 3, red flag is a red flag. Huwag kang bulag-bulagan, te. Hindi porket gwapo, go ka na. Red flag is a red flag. Kailangan yung words niya nagma-match sa actions niya. Kasi dun mo makikita yung consistency ng character ng tao. Tapos, dapat maging firm ka. Kaya nga importante yung number 1. Kasi pag nakita mo na inconsistent siya, you can easily let go. Kasi alam mo na yung value mo, alam mo yung worth mo. Pero kung hindi mo alam yung value mo and yung worth mo, you will still hold on to that